We are going to discuss about the last topic of the chapter, that is three-dimensional shapes. What are three-dimensional shapes? Those shapes which have three dimensions. Dimensions here refers to faces, edges and vertices. Three dimensions of figures are faces, edges and vertices. We'll discuss few shapes. You see here sphere, a cone, cylinder, pyramid, cube, cuboid. All these are three-dimensional shapes. These shapes are made, you will find in these shape few faces, like this is the face, here is the face of the sphere, cuboid, all these are face, right? Then edges. What are edges? Where two faces meet, is that place is known as edge of that particular figure. If you see this pyramid, these are the faces, and these faces, where do they meet? They meet at the edges. These are the edges, right? And then vertices. We know what are vertex. Vertices is the plural of vertex. Okay, so vertices are the corners where edges meet. So these three-dimensional shapes we are going to discuss in the clip. Those shapes in which we find faces, edges and vertices. You see here faces, edges and vertices. Here this is a cube. In the cube, each side of a cube is a flat surface called flat face. This is the side, na? This side is the face of the cube. This is also the face of the cube, and this is also the face of the cube, right? This empty portion is the face. Okay, and after this face, where do this face meet? It meet at the edge, right? So you can see this is the edge. The boundaries are known as edges of the cube. And then vertex. Vertex, we all know, the vertex is that particular portion over which two line segments meet. This is one line segment, this is another line segment. It meets in this common point, na? So this is the vertex. Like this, in different shapes we have these faces, edges and vertex. So you can mark these definitions of faces, edges and vertex. Edges is the line segment and they meet at the point called vertex. Okay, so all these these three-dimensional shapes, we'll find different number of faces, edges and vertex. Here another diagram. You see this is a prism. It looks like a pencil, right? So this prism, it also has a triangular face and a rectangular face, right? So triangular and rectangular, both the faces it has. So a triangular face is also known as its base. This is the base. Okay, a prism has two identical bases. Identical means similar. So you see here, this is rectangle and then triangle. If the prism has a rectangular base, it is a rectangular prism. You see this prism, this is triangle, right? And this is rectangular prism. And then different shapes are here, cone, sphere, etc. Okay, so here we have completed the three-dimensional shapes. Now we are given some questions here. In these questions we have to say, in the given figure, here figures are made now. In the given figure, how many faces, edges and vertices are there? So a cuboid look like a rectangular box. You see this is a cuboid. A matchstick, you know, na, matchstick. In that matchstick, how many faces we find? 6 faces, now. Means the face which is upside, then downside also there is another face, right? So here you see this is one face, second and then third. So below this one more face might be there, downside this also and downside this also. So a cuboid has how many faces? 6 faces. Each face has 4 edge. Each face has 4 edge. You know what, like this is one face, na? This particular blank is one face. In this face 4 edges are there, na? 1, 2, 3 and 4, right? So these 4 edges are of this particular blank. Another face is this one. This empty space is another face. This face also has 4 edges, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Similarly, this is another face and 1, 2, 3 and 4. I hope it is clear to you. So in a cuboid, it has 6 faces, 1, 2, 3 and opposite also. 3, 3, 6. And each face has each face has 4 edges. What are the edges? These are the edges of the sphere, a cuboid. Then each face has 4 corners called vertices. Whatever is the edge, that is the corner. So this is the corner, like that. Cuboid we have discussed. Now and our next one is cube. Cube is a cuboid whose edges are all equal of length. Cube, a dice is the example of cube. You can see here, back side. So a playing die is a cube. You all know how many faces are there in a cube? 6 faces are there, right? 1, 2, 3 means in a dice we have seen 1, 2, 3. So the last number in the dice is 6. So therefore a dice has 6 faces. Then all the faces have 4 edges. We know what are the edges. Suppose this is the first face now. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 edges are here. Then each face has 4 vertices also. 4 means the corners, like that. Then next one is triangular pyramid. Triangular pyramid is a triangle at its base. You can see at its base means the down portion. This down portion, right? This is the base of your triangular prism. This is the base of your triangular prism. Okay. Then faces we know 4, 6 and corners also 4. Faces, this is the base. So we'll not count that. Only 1, 2 and opposite of this we have 1, 2 more. Next one is square pyramid. A square pyramid, you can see. What is a square pyramid? Its base is of a square. So this is the base, this is the base, and this base you can see square form. Then edges, 8 edges are here. 8 edges means the corners we will count the edges, and then corners are 5. How 5 corners are here? 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. This is the base. Don't count the base in the corner. Then a triangular prism look like a kaleidoscope. It is a triangle at its base. So faces, edges and corner. You see this is a what is that? This is your triangular prism and it look like a kaleidoscope. You know what is a kaleidoscope? Kaleidoscope is that instrument in which we can see opposite side figure in one. Suppose you are seeing something straight in front of you. In a kaleidoscope, it will just reverse itself. So that is the kaleidoscope. No use here, only a triangular prism we need to discuss about. That is this particular figure. And it has 5 faces, 9 edges and 6 corners. So here all these 3-dimensional figures and number of faces, edges and corners.